Welcome to how to make a Roblox clicker simulator in 2025, and let's jump right into it. I accept that you already have some knowledge, so I won't be showing you how to open this base plate or how to download Studio, but what we need to do is open this place. Doesn't matter what place, but I recommend you to open a blank base plate, then go to game settings and click save to Roblox, name it however you want. You can choose the creator, the devices and team create and data sharing. I will disable data sharing because I don't want to do that, and let's save the game. And this allowed us to go there into game settings again, and now we can go to permission, change that to public. Now go to security and we need to enable Studio access to API services. Maybe you can also enable these two and save. In this part I will show you how to make the clicker button and a place where you can sell your clicks to transfer them into cash. In the next part we will be creating the data store and a shop UI where you can upgrade your click. But for that I want to have at least 5 likes on this video. So yeah, leave a like and now let's get into it. We will start by creating a server script, so insert a script into server script service and let's call it leaderstats. And we will start by detecting when the player joins, so game get service players dot player edit connect function, and let's add player there. Now let's make a variable for our leader stats, so local leader stats equals to instance.new. This will create a new instance and the instance will be a folder, and the folder will be inside our player. And now let's rename it, and let's rename it to leader stats. It has to be exactly like this or it won't be shown in the top right corner. Then let's create 2 new variables which will be clicks. This will be a number value and it will be inside of the leader stats. Clicks.name equals to clicks and clicks.value will be 0. We will also create a cache variable and this will be exactly how the clicks are, but instead of clicks we will call it cache. Now we can go to replicated storage and let's add a folder and let's rename it to remote events, so we stay at least somehow organized, and insert a remote event and call it get clicks. Now insert another server script service and we can name it like get clicks. What we can do now is fire a function every time we detect this remote event, so game get service replicated storage wait for child remote events wait for child get clicks dot on server event connect function, and let's insert our player there as a parameter, so plr. And what we will do is increase the player's cache or clicks, so player dot leader stats dot clicks dot value plus equals to 1. And this is basically everything for the server for now. Now we can create the button. For this we will need to go into starter GUI and insert a screen GUI. Let's rename it into like click button, and I like to check the ignore GUI inset just to not mess with the positioning and size and other stuff. Now you can insert any button, but I will insert text button. Set the anchor point to 0.5 there, 0.5, so it will be easier for us to animate the button in the future. So I definitely leave a like so we can get in there too. Remove the text and we can set the size from offset to scale, so maybe 0.5 and there too, and now we can scale it manually. What I will add is UI aspect ratio, so it's exactly a square. We can then add a UI corner to make it round, and we can edit the UI corner, maybe 0.2, or 0.3. I think 0.4 is alright. We can also add UI stroke to make it look better, and let's set it to 3. And let's set the apply stroke mode to border. Then we can add a image label, set the anchor point to 0.5 and set the position to 0.5. Set the size to 0.9, and now go there and set the background transparency to 1. And you can select any image that you want there. So I will quickly just choose an image for my computer. And you can also change it however you want. So as you can see, my image is pretty big, so I can go there and decrease the position a little bit more, so maybe 0.8. Now we can go to text button and we can select our background color. I think I will get a cyan, something like this. Then we can go to the text button and we can go to position and set it to 0.5 on the x-axis and maybe right there. You can go to view, you can go to test and test it on different devices. Now what we will do is insert a local script and we will rename it to get clicks. We will start by getting our player, so local plr equals to game get service players dot local player, and then local event equals to game get service replicated storage wait for child remote events wait for child get clicks. And now we will create a function for every time when you click the button, so script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function. What we can also do, so players can massively spam this. That means you can get an auto clicker and you can get like infinite amount of clicks per second, probably. One thing how you can fix that is by adding a debounce. But if you want to keep super OP auto clickers and don't have any limit, then you don't need to add debounce. But for this example I will show how to make debounce. So we just do local debounce equals to false, and then we will do if debounce equals to false. Then we will set debounce to true. Then we will wait maybe 0.1 second and set the debounce to be false again. So we can click on this and it will give you click only every 0.1 seconds. And basically all we need to do now is just do event fire server. We can test the game now. And as you can see, we have our cache and clicks there, and when we click we get clicks. And before we continue with the video, please go check out this game. It's called Monster Showdown, made by Aureum Realms. In this Roblox game you are killing monsters, buying new weapons and unlocking new areas, buying new pets and bunch of other stuff. So yeah, at least try this game. The game link is down in the description. You can also join our group, it's also down in the description. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, and the link for that is also down in the description. And that's it, let's get back into the video. So now we just need to add a part that when you touch you get cash. And for that I will be using this model. And if you want to get this model, you can join my Discord server. The link for the Discord server is down in the description. After you reach a certain level, you will get access to a certain channel. And in this channel you will be able to find some links, scripts and stuff like that. And this model will be there too, so yeah. Otherwise you can just use the basic part or make your own model. But you just need to detect when you touch a part and then do something, which is what I'm going to show you now. So in this model I have touch part, which is this part. I can make it like this so we can see it. I also have can collide set to false, and we can add a script there, and we can rename the script into like sell clicks. And what we can do now is script.parent.touched connect function, and we will need to get the hit, so let's put the hit there. And we need to check if a player touched it. So how are we going to do that? We are going to first get the humanoid. So local humanoid equals to hit.parent find first child humanoid. And then what we will do is if humanoid then, so if it something touches it and something gets a humanoid, Then we can check if that humanoid is from a player. So local plr equals to game get service players and then get player from character, and we can do humanoid.parent. If player, then player.leaderstats.cache.value plus equals to player.leaderstats.clicks.value, and then we will do player.clicks.value equals to 0. And maybe for safety reasons we can add a debounce there too, so local debounce equals to false. If player, then if player and debounce equals to false. Then we will do this and change the debounce to be true. Then maybe wait 0.1 seconds and set the debounce to be false again. And now that should be everything. You can publish it to Roblox and test the game. And clicks is not well. Oh, okay. This is a easy fix. Just go to our cell clicks script and put .leaderstats there, and everything will be fixed. So now we can get these and transfer them into cache. So this is everything for this part. As I said, in the next part we will be creating the upgrade shop UI and leader stats, maybe some more stuff. Probably I will add a UI indicators that will show you how much cache and clicks you have. But 100% data store, so you can save your cache and clicks, and a upgrade shop UI, so you can upgrade how many clicks you get. But for that, give this video at least 5 likes. If you have watched my previous tutorials, then you probably know that I have promised that in this year I will be creating another clicker simulator tutorial series, but better than the others. And yeah, that's what I will do, but only if this series will get enough support. Some stuff that I can show you and didn't show you in the previous tutorials are pets, teleporting into different zones, and much more. So yeah, definitely leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.